Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make soufflé. What's soufflé? It's a light and fluffy French dessert made from beaten egg whites and a couple of other ingredients. The process of making a souffle is usually very simple, provided you follow the simple steps correctly. Start by brushing inside of 2 ramekins with soft butter. Add small amounts of sugar to each and swell gently to coat the sides and bottom. Shake out excess sugar and set the ramekins aside. Next, separate 2 egg yolks from the whites and keep them separately in different bowls. Combine 2 tablespoons of caster sugar with 2 egg yolks and whisk until it is nicely combined. Gradually stir in 1 tablespoon of plain flour and whisk until you have a thick paste. Now gently whisk in half cup of warm milk, stirring continuously until smooth. Once you have a smooth consistency just like this, pour the mixture into a saucepan and heat on medium heat while stirring continuously for 30 seconds until it thickens up like pap. When the mixture has thickened up, reduce heat to low and add in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and keep whisking until it has melted. Take the pan off heat and stir in a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of vanilla extract and then whisk to combine. Pour the mixture into a bowl and cool to room temperature. While the sauce is cooling, beat the egg whites for 30 seconds until foamy. Then gradually combine 3 tablespoons of caster sugar until stiff peaks are formed. That should take about 3 to 5 minutes using an electric hand mixer, but make sure not to overbeat the egg whites. When done, add about 1/3 cup of the meringue to the flour mixture and fold it in gradually until it combines nicely. This will make it lighter and much easier to fold in the rest. You can now add the remaining and continue folding in until no streaks of egg whites are seen. Fill the ramekins to the brim with the mixture and level with a spatula. Run a thumbnail around the inside of the ramekin. This will help the soufflé to rise beautifully and evenly without catching on the sides. Place the ramekin on a baking tray or oven rack in the middle of the oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until it rises and turns golden on the surface. Take the soufflé out as soon as it has risen. And you want to make sure to serve your soufflé immediately because there is no structure to hold it for a longer time. It is just inflated with hot air, and as soon as it starts to cool, it falls without waiting for you. I hope you get that. I'd like to dust my soufflé with icing sugar before serving. You can top it up with a sweet dessert sauce or serve it alongside with ice cream. Or if you're just like me, serve it the way it is and it is still good. Thanks so much guys for watching this video. If you liked the video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. If you're new to Onyx Food Hill, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Until next time guys, I'd love to see you soon. Bye!